We'll start by opening an image in Affinity that we wish to print. In this example, I'm using the Ink Experts logo. With your image ready to print, we go to File and then Print. In this menu, we will need to select the printer we're going to use. In this example, I'm using the ET8550 series. Select Properties. Change your paper type to that displayed on your paper packet, and same with the quality. In my example, I'm using the Ink Expert style paper, so this needs to be set to Epson matte and the quality at high. We then go to More Options, ensure Mirror Image is ticked, select Custom from the Color Correction menu, and then click Advanced. In the Advanced section, we want to turn the color adjustment off. So select No Color Adjustment. Click OK, and then OK again. We then need to go to the Color Management menu here. Ensure that your color handling is performed by the app, and then we can select our printer profile from this drop-down menu. In our example, we are using the ET8550 and I'm using the style paper, so I'll be selecting the style profile. With that done, you can then click OK and the job will go to print.